It's holiday cookie time here at Natural Health Resources. I'm taking you into my kitchen to share with you my famous mommy cookie recipe. I've spiced it up with a little holiday cheer. I'm so excited to share this wonderful gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, super fabulous, super yummy, super healthy recipe. Stay tuned for yum yum time here at Natural Health Resources. Thanks for tuning in to this fun cooking segment here at Natural Health Resources. The question of the day is, are you going to be utilizing this recipe this holiday season? If you are interested in the actual recipe, I have a free download link down below up there where you can grab a one-page detailed recipe. I'll also include that in the description below. I hope you enjoy this cookie recipe. Feel free to kind of add your own flair to it. It's super easy to alter and add so many wonderful things, and I know you, your kids, and your family are going to enjoy it. Thanks again for tuning in. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Have a great day, everybody, and enjoy your cookies.